discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Picked up, I think, 3 or 4 tenths.
Smooth surface, plus probably might have had a sealed leak in the corner.
Yeah. Let that good fly.
No, it actually lost right at a full decibel, but it's so much, it's a lot more.
Will work can happen anywhere.
Switch the subs. I just put them in Tuesday.
Could you tell me your name real quick? What's all in here?
Andy Hardy, Elite Euro Audio in Florence, a 90 amp hour C-Max, Brand X 320 with external regulator, SFB 8000D on 2 NSB 412s, DS18 mids and highs, and an SFB 200.4 on the mids and highs.
Okay.
With the stock engine.
Yep. And what did it meter?
So far, it's done a 151.2 seal on the dash.
Nice. Oh, that's good.
Hertz.
Man, so you're probably doing something. That's good. Awesome. All right.
Couple. I play one that's kind of right where it peaks, and I'll play something that's a little more dynamic.
Sure. 2 or 3 minute demos all I need, man. Sure.
Let's rage.
That's near your peak, 43, 44?
Yep.
Okay.
That's right where it likes to be.
Okay. Does it do hair tricks at all?
It kind of don't float it more or less.
It'll move it? Okay.
Yeah. yeah.
Thank you for the demo.
Oh, yeah, no wall.
What was y'all's names?
I'm Andy, and this is my girlfriend, Whisper.
Whisper. Okay, Whisper. I've never heard that name before. All right. Hey, thank you, man. Can I see the back one more time? Thank you for the demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.